Have you ever seen a group so mixed and colorful that one word perfectly describes it? That word is motley. It's short, expressive, and powerful, and once you learn it, you'll start noticing it everywhere. Meaning and definition of motley. The word motley means made up of many different types, colors, ideas, or people mixed together. When things don't match but exist together in one group, they can be called motley. Pronunciation and part of speech. Motley is pronounced as motley. It is most commonly used as an adjective, though it can also be used as a noun in some contexts. How motley is used. When we say a motley group, we mean a group made up of people from different backgrounds, styles, or opinions. The word often suggests variety rather than order. Motley synonyms. Some common synonyms of motley include mixed, varied, diverse, assorted, heterogeneous. These words all point to difference and variety within one group. Motley antonyms. Opposite words, or antonyms, include uniform, similar, matching, identical. These describe things that look or behave the same. Example sentences with motley. A motley crowd gathered at the street festival, wearing clothes from every style imaginable. The bookshelf held a motley collection of novels, cookbooks, and old diaries. The team was a motley mix of beginners and experts, but they worked well together. Why motley is a useful word. Motley helps express diversity in a vivid and natural way. It's perfect for describing people, ideas, objects, or experiences that don't follow a single pattern. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep discovering words with Thesaurus Thrive.